Welcome to Excalibur, the revolutionary software program to make life extremely easy for workshops, make them more productive and improve profitability. We're going to run through the first part of the program, which is make a booking, which is a very important part of the business. Firstly, we go to service calendar. Client rings up, wants to make a booking. We make a booking for a service, 10 a.m. for Wednesday morning. The car registration, we just need the first couple of letters and the system will automatically search for ones in that range. We select the car we want. We then move down the screen to the general service, or we can select one of the preset bundles. Vic Roadworthy certificate is a popular service. We click on Vic Roads, the service. We allocate one of the mechanics, or if we want to wait until the customer arrives, we can put unallocated. Any notes? The customer has said that although it's a roadworthy, if the brake pads are worn, to please replace them. Replace pads if required, and then we save that. And then the booking is saved in the system, ready to go. When the customer arrives, the booking status then changes to vehicle here, vehicle arrived. We print the job sheet for the mechanic to put under the windscreen, or if it's an electronic workshop, on the screen in the workshop, so the mechanic can see what has to be done in all the elements. We check the job sheet. All that's okay. Pads-through have made the note. Ready to go. We then go back to the home page, which is important to take us back to the main screen. We then go to the service, check all the items, show the service items being done. Yes, all that's correct. Make sure it's all accurate. Put the kilometres in that the car's travelled. And then we go back to check all service items. It's all done. And then back to the bottom of the screen where we save that information. All done and checked. Job's been completed. Put in the service notes on the next. We've noticed there may be some suspension issues, so we want to check those on the next service. We then notify the customer, send an SMS text. We want to save that. We then want to print an invoice, so it's ready for when the customer arrives to pick up the car. We will show the service details on the invoice. We then scroll down, go back to the home page. Customer arrives. We're then ready to receive payment for the invoice. We go over to the method of payment. It'll be EFTPOS. Amount's right. The customer then pays us, we receive payment, and the invoice then comes off the system as being paid and goes into the accounting package of the system to reconcile those accounts. We then move back to the service calendar to then say the car has been collected, we've received the money, and we're all ready for the next client.